Hello, welcome to the session of electrical traction system. Last time we have seen the speed torque characteristics or the speed torque nature of our curve for the particular duration or the particular area. So now we'll see the typical speed torque curve for the different services. So this curve represents the speed time curve for the main line or the main services or the main area. So here in speed time curve for the main line, the distance between two stops is more, that is more than 10 kilometer, and here the free running time is more longer. So acceleration factor is a 0.6 to 0.8 kilometer per hour per second, and the retardation is a 1.5 kilometer hour per second. So this is about the speed time curve for a speed time curve for a particular area, that is the mainland area. So next one is a speed time curve for the urban area. So here in a speed time curve of the urban area, there is a free running is removed, so there is a no availability of the free running. So here it consists of only three regions: acceleration, costing, and the braking. Here in this urban area, the distance between station is less than 1 kilometer, and the maximum speed attained by the train is 120 kilometer per hour. So the time required for run is less, that is the less than 1 minute. Here acceleration as well as the retardation should be high, so that the high average speed and the time of run should be obtained. So this curve should be used for the local trains, we can say that, because the distance between two stops is less than 1 kilometer. So acceleration is near about 1.5 to 4 kilometer per hour per second, and the retardation is about 3.3 to 4 kilometer per hour second. So here, as per our discussion, we know that there is a no free running area, and the costing is a 0.15 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed time curve characteristics for the urban area. So next is a speed time curve for the suburban area. Here, same reason, acceleration, costing, and braking is available. Free running is avoided or the neglected because there is no free running for the suburban area. Here, so the distance between two stops is 2 to 5 kilometer, and here free running is not possible. The costing is comparatively more. Here, the costing as compared to urban area is more than the suburban area. So it requires high acceleration and high retardation. Acceleration is near about 1.5 to 4.5 kilometer per hour per second, and the retardation or the braking is near about 3 to 4 kilometer per hour per second. So this is the speed time curve area for the suburban. So this curve represent us the different area on which area our train will be run. So here in acceleration, costing, braking, free running region, there is different speed of the motor, or we can say that there is a different speed of the train. So the train speed can be changes as per the region changes. So acceleration and the braking is one of the most important area for the speed time curve. So depending on this speed time curve, we can calculate the energy consumption for the particular duration or for the particular area. Thank you very much.